Crank out the disco ball. It's a Sprunki pizza party. This is a real shindig. They're even staying up past 8. But you guys should really take care of your trash. Well, I guess it's up to our hosts to clean house. Do I need to ask if they even used coasters? Uh-oh, you're making Simon angry. You won't like him when he will become a Sprunki eater. Now I see why dogs don't like vacuum cleaners. You guys are about to have a little time out. But Gray doesn't want anyone thinking he's a bad host. So why don't we play some games to spring them? First, something spooky's going on at the play park. Oh, why didn't these kids just stay home and play video games? This is exactly why Inside became a thing. What a mean slide. I always liked swings better. And just look at those teeth. All the better to bite you with.
Hey.
This is a playground, so we need an old playground trick. Mints and soda. You can't beat a classic. And this ain't the sugar-free kind either. The baby Sprunkies are free. And we got a tooth. What's more relaxing than a trip on the lake? A little fishing, and mermaid catching too. We need to throw these guys back. Gray, we've got a new mission for you. Go down and help let them loose. After all, they won't make good fish sticks. Uh-oh, that net is made of tough material. Maybe this is a job for someone with fingers. It comes in handy when you need to use scissors. Courtesy of our old pal, Semi-Hemi. Time to put those choppers to good use. Now swim on out of here, unless you want to be sashimi. I wonder what the mermaids are gonna do now. Ooh, it looks like they want a little word with you. Remember, always pack your water wings. Here's the next item, straight from the sea, a shell. Speaking of mermaids, Vineria's looking like a chicken of the sea. And something tells me she's not the scariest thing in here. Don't worry, no monster can withstand the power of a flashlight. While we're on it, maybe Vineria will enjoy the company. Just make sure we caught them all. Next up, looks like your Hogwarts letter finally came. Just need leg of toad and rest of toad. A toadstool, some eye of newt, set to boil. Now let's bring on all mermaid friends. This witch's brew is like chicken soup for the soul. Just save some for our next item. Looks like we're heading back to the water. And just in time, we need to help clean up the lake. I think we know where to start, and who to stop. Naughty Mr. Black, let's mess up your plumbing. Even Mario won't be able to help you now. In fact, all the gunk will go somewhere safe and secure. Wow, you even earned an extra life. But now, let's clear up all of this litter. You know, I never knew so many things could be magnetic. Well, if it cleans up the lake, I'm not going to complain.
Huh?
Just keep an eye on your bait. Don't want to hurt the fish. Unless it's lunchtime. Where are we on that sashimi idea? Guess there really are plenty of fish in the sea. We've got heart, in more ways than one. Who needs the sea when we've got a winter wonderland? Just make sure you're properly dressed first. Uh-oh, winter just freezes in the snow, ironically. Maybe this stick could help. Maybe not. Oh no, we have to hurry before winter turns into an ice cone. We should make sure that everything is safe around here. Uh-oh, this looks like a job for our trusty mallet. When it comes to reindeer, I'll stick with Rudolph. Usually, third time's the charm around here. We need to heat things up around here. Or we'll need to change Gray's name to Blue. Gray is gray again, but let's save some water. Once again, a little water is the solution.
Ooh.
There's so much cool stuff, from ice cream to penguins. But let's focus. We need to find Winter. Ooh, looks like Santa needs to pick up Frosty. We found Winter, and she's got a foxy new attitude. How unique! We've got a new snowflake. All these items combined will get Simon back to normal.
Huh?
Okay, you've spent enough time out. You're free to go. Want to have a basement party? No? Then we might as well head upstairs. Watch your step. Oh no, not this again. Come on, everyone. Let's all lend a hand to pick things up. See? Cleaning can be fun. And so is avoiding Simon's wrath. Time for fun with our Sprunki friends. Pick your group. Ew. Is it chilly in here, or is it just aqua? Wow, a purple-colored microwave? It's Lily! Okay, let's speed things up. We've got Ratty, Pinky, and Simon. And last but not least, we've got Durple. Heads up! Things are about to get spooky! Ooh, it's raining slime! And there's more where that came from. Blocks? Guess we can always make some new friends. Let's throw in Mr. Sun while we're at it. And look, he even doubles as a Ferris wheel. These Sprunkies sure take Sandbox time seriously. I know how it looks, but I still think there's buried treasure here. Orin, what are you doing here? I see. Everyone's buried in the wrong plot. Either that or the tombstones got mixed up. Don't worry, these aren't really our Sprunki friends. Squeeze them to see what color's inside. You know, a lot of people have red inside them. Next, what's your favorite flavor of lemonade? Make it pink. Made from pink lemons, I think. Ratty, green or blue? Yeah, green goes great with red. Orange, purple or red? Makes sense. We already did red. Last but not least, sky, pink or orange? Just like the juice.